Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Apex Legends error code Leaf, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is go over to Steam, right click on Steam and then click on Properties. From here you can go over to the Compatibility tab and check two boxes. The first box you want to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then the second box you want to check is run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can exit out. You can then open up Steam again, and then you can obviously go over to Apex Legends and make sure everything is fine. And then you can go, or if that does not work, the second method you guys can try doing is hit over to Apex Legends, right click on it, and click on Properties. From here, go over to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Games Files, and this will basically just delete any corrupt files. Make sure there's no like corrupt or missing files, and you should be good to go. And once that is done, I do recommend restarting your PC as well, and you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.